These are the 4 most common hoses for window cleaning. This is the 5mm pull pipe, which is available in 10 meters or 100 meters. This is your 6mm hose reel hose, also known as microbore hose. And this is your 8mm hose reel hose, also known as microbore hose. This is our reinforced anti-kink 1/2 inch hose. It's commonly referred to as garden hose. The Series 21 connectors are quick release couplings with a 6mm or an 8mm hose tail. They fit any Rectus integrated system, and these are used for your pull hose, which is the 6mm, and the hose reel hose, which is the 8mm. The Series 26 connectors are quick release couplings with a 6mm, 8mm or 12mm hose tail. They're not suitable for use with the Series 21 couplings, and they're normally used to connect your pump to your hose reel. This is the hose tail to hose lock male connector. This caters for 6mm and 8mm hose, and will allow you to join your pull pipe to your hose reel hose. This is the female hose lock connector, which is suitable for 8mm hose reel hose. It's available with or without the Aquastop shutoff valve. It's a robust hose connector capable of withstanding high pressures. This is the Slick Connect bundle. They're the only couplings designed for window cleaning specifically. They're available for 6mm and 8mm hose, and they're designed to be a protective cover for your couplings and to stop snagging.